Hi guys, it's Yuno again, and here I would like to introduce to you another design of mine, and I call this a pin sitter. The usefulness of this is to easily hang up the pins and prepare it for quick picking. I have tested it already, and it's quite have a good result. There are two types of this that I designed. One, the body is here. You can notice the body is at the bottom, and this is the bearing here. This is the ball bearings here, which runs onto this body and make this tip goes up and down. As you can notice, goes up and down. This is squeeze and release, and also this is another one which I designed, which I noticed this other tip here could be useful also, because this other tip is I use it for bringing up the pin, and when it is on its normal position, but like on the double profile cylinder where the cylinder is upside down, so I use this kind of tip which it pushing down the pin also. This is also I call the pin sitter. So this is how it works here. So this is okay, this is how it works. So I insert it in from the end and run it and squeeze it and release. It's easily hung up the pin there, and it will help me from easily picking it. And this also could be used for quick raking, like this, right? It hangs up the pin more faster also. Sometimes it opens the lock itself. Okay, so this make hanging the pins momentarily, and I could easily pick the pin when it is already a bit hung. Okay, so now that's open. This is a hard one, maybe something stuck on it, but it's already open here. Yeah, it's open. See that? So it helps me in hanging up the pins easily and picking it easily also. So this helps me, and also it helps me from, especially when I use the raking method. It's easily hang up the pin on the shear lines, and I could pick it easily. So this is quite a promising device for me, which I had installed, which I had fabricated. And this is just made up of a wire here, and then from this side there is a spring, and there is a spring stopper here, and on the top this is the ball bearing, and this spring here is the one that brings this part here back when I squeeze it, and then return, squeeze, return. That's how it works. The same with this one, because the body of this is at the bottom, so I also try to put the spring at its bottom, while this one, when the body is on the top, so I put the spring on the top also to counter and balance the movement of these tools I had. This is one of my design, which is quite okay. Okay, thanks for watching, folks, and have a good day.